Hi! In front of me is Nokia X20, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. First of all, go into Play Store, tap on the search bar and type in Samsung voice recorder. Then you need to install this app and open it. Following that, just continue, tap on while using the app or only this time, choose yes I agree, and tap on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. You can also delete it right away by clicking on the middle button to stop it and choosing discard. Then tap on delete. If you wish to add a bookmark, you can do that by tapping on this pin icon over here, typing wherever you wish to or not at all, and clicking OK. If you wish to end and save your recording, click on the check mark. Now select Save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my recording is over here. If you wish to rename it, you need to hold it. Then click on this little icon over here next to the heart and the bin, in the middle actually, and enter new name of your voice recording. I will go with some gibberish. Then select OK. If you wish to play it, you need to click on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to hold it again, tap on the bin icon at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!